Hey there, curious minds. Ever wondered what life was like back in the 1700s and 1800s? Let's take a journey through time and explore the everyday lives of folks from those centuries. First off, imagine waking up in a small wooden cabin or a brick townhouse. Your day starts early with the sun, because there's no electricity to light up your room. Breakfast could be simple, maybe some porridge or bread, if you're lucky. Coffee was a luxury back then, so don't count on it. Now, let's talk about work. If you lived in the 1700s, chances are you worked on a farm, whether you owned it or worked for someone else. Farming was hard labor, from sunup to sundown. By the 1800s, the Industrial Revolution had kicked in and factory jobs became more common. But don't think that made life any easier. Those factories were noisy, dangerous, and people worked long hours. Speaking of danger, medicine was pretty primitive. Got a cold? They might bleed you or use leeches. Surgery? No anesthesia, just a shot of whiskey and a stick to bite down on. It's a wonder anyone survived. Education was a privilege, not a right. If you were lucky, you might attend a one-room schoolhouse where kids of all ages learned together. The teacher, usually strict, with a cane ready for misbehaving students. Now let's talk about travel. Forget cars and planes. In the 1700s, you mostly traveled by horse or on foot. By the 1800s, railroads started to appear, but train rides were bumpy and far from luxurious. Entertainment was simpler too. No phones, no internet, no TV. People read books, went to church events, or attended social gatherings like dances and fairs. Music was often homemade, with fiddles and banjos leading the way. So, there you have it, a glimpse into life in the 1700s and 1800s. It was tough, no doubt, but people found ways to make the best of it. Makes you appreciate modern conveniences, doesn't it? Thanks for joining me on this trip through time. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fascinating journeys into the past. See you next time.